Okay, welcome back, parents and students. This is our final installment, which is just going to be a quick run through how that we will be organizing Google Classroom in this course. I do want to start off by saying I cannot stress enough how important Google Classroom is in understanding the organization in this class, likely school-wide as well. Now, the reason for that is all material, with the exception of if you happen to have a hard copy of the textbook in my environmental science class, but for environmental science and chemistry and Avid, everything we do in this course will be located in or linked to from within Google Classroom. And that is going to continue even when we come back to face-to-face learning. Things will continue to always be posted in Google Classroom. All right. Now, as far as the organization goes, you need to understand the difference between the stream and classwork. The stream is going to have two things posted in it, right? The first and foremost is when you come to our synchronous sessions, right? So the 2 to 3 days a week where you log in and all your classmates and me are there together, right? The link to that is always going to be posted in the stream, and that will always be at the top, front, and center. Now, there will also be occasional announcements posted to the stream. All right. So when you click on your class, it takes you straight to the stream. You can find that Zoom link right there. Boom. And then you'll go back to Classroom and switch over to the Classwork tab, which is where we're going to spend much, much, much more of our time. All of the work, right? Anything that you have to download or turn in is going to be posted in this Classwork tab. It's going to be arranged by topic. Right? So I'm going to narrow the topics down such that we will, for any given topic, there'll be maybe 2 or 3 days worth of time devoted to that particular topic. Right? So there's going to be a topic heading, and then under that will be both the synchronous and asynchronous posts associated with the days that we're spending on that topic in particular. All right. Now, it will also be such that the farther down you go, the older the posts, so our newest topic and the newest days will always go to the very top of the Classwork tab. Now, if you click on an assignment from within that Classwork tab, there'll be a little drop-down menu, and you'll be able to see several things. In this case, I'm just showing 2, but of course, there will always be a slideshow posted, and in that slideshow, there will be an agenda showing what we're learning that during that session, what work is assigned, right, and what the due dates are. But there will also likely be other slides showing kind of guiding our process together, right? And then also what you'll find are attached documents, articles, other texts, links to other websites, links to videos to watch, etc. So there might be several other things posted under this, depending on how many different formats and avenues we're going to do learning for that particular day, right? But like I said, every single time we meet, there will be a synchronous and an asynchronous post for every day, right? And under that, you'll be able to find a detailed agenda for what we're doing, when it's due, right? And then any sort of documents, articles, texts, links that you need from that day's lesson. All going to be posted right there for you. Right. Now, other means of communication. Google Classroom should suffice by and large, right? But I'm also going to be sending out emails occasionally through school Gmail. So students, you're not the greatest about checking that. Please be better about checking your email. But I am going to have us all sign up for the Remind app. And this goes for parents as well. So both students and parents will sign up for Remind so that you can get those important announcements. Right? So I will not be sending out daily reminds. I'll be sending out reminds when I feel like there's an announcement that needs to be made that is important, or if perhaps I forgot to mention something in class and I need to get that out to you all. All right, that is it. Please fill out that Google form located in the website from which you got this. In this case, I just put the environmental science website up, right? So hopefully you've watched the parent-student intro, how grades are calculated, and also Google Classroom information. At this point, I'd love for you to go back and fill out that Google form. Both parents and students to acknowledge that they understand the basic workings of this course as we proceed. And of course, Always, always, always feel free to email or call using that information provided right there if a further discussion is needed or warranted. Thank you.